Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. As we eagerly approach the end of the year, it's time to plan for an unforgettable New Year's celebration. In today's video, we're sharing a guide on how to celebrate the New Year in style, filled with joy, positivity, and a touch of sparkle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on the journey to make this New Year's Eve truly special. As the year draws to a close, take a moment for reflection. Acknowledge your achievements, appreciate the lessons learned, and set positive intentions for the upcoming year. A great way to start the celebration is by fostering a mindset of gratitude and anticipation. Whether it's an intimate dinner party, a virtual gathering, or a lively bash with friends, planning a festive New Year's event is key. Decorate your space, prepare delicious treats, and curate a playlist that sets the mood. Celebrate the power of connection and the joy of being surrounded by loved ones. Establishing New Year's traditions adds a special touch to the festivities. From writing down resolutions to creating a memory jar filled with highlights from the year, these traditions not only add meaning, but also create a sense of continuity as you welcome the new beginning. New Year's Eve is the perfect occasion to glam up and shine. Whether you're staying in or heading out, dressing up in festive attire adds an extra layer of excitement. Embrace the sparkle, don your favorite outfit, and let the night be a reflection of your radiant spirit. As the clock ticks towards midnight, make the countdown a moment to remember. Whether you're watching fireworks, participating in a virtual countdown, or counting down with loved ones, capture the excitement and anticipation of the New Year's arrival. As the new year begins, take a moment to express gratitude for the experiences of the past year. Spread positivity by sending heartfelt messages, making resolutions that promote personal growth, and embracing the opportunities that the new year holds. Thank you for joining us on this journey to celebrate the new year with joy and positivity. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, share, and tell us how you plan to ring in the new year in the comments below. Wishing you all a fantastic new year filled with love, laughter, and exciting new beginnings.